Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you a domestic electric baler. First, let's take a look at the unboxing of this machine. Certificate, Product Manual, Warranty Card, Body, Equipped with 2 batteries, Random kit, Charger. This baler is suitable for strapping with a width of 16到19毫米. Belt thickness is 0.5到 1.2毫米. Suitable for industries such as brick factories, aluminum factories, paper factories, building materials, etc. Before using the machine, we insert the battery first. It can be operated after the indicator light is on. The silver round button above is the tightening button. The silver push button is the slicing and cutting button. Below you can see the small display. There are 3 buttons. The F key is to adjust the mode. FE and FR can be selected. FE is the size to adjust the tightening strength. Then use the up and down arrows to adjust. FR is the button to adjust the working time. It is also adjusted by the up and down buttons. Below we have an unwind button. You can pull the lever after pressing the unwind button. Let me show you a battery operation of this baler. After the items are bundled, the portable baler snaps the strap into the cassette slot. The straps must be aligned. The silver round button above is the tightening button. The silver push button is the slicing and cutting button.